Hey all, welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about how we can move from manual to automation. So a lot of people are having fear, and even I had. So when I joined my career as a manual tester, and in 2014 I joined, till 2019 it took me almost 6-7 years to make my mindset to move to automation. So for me also it was difficult, and maybe I thought of why not creating a video for your help, like how in 3 steps you can try, and maybe it will take you 3 months to do that, but I believe this is how we can go forward. So with that, so see, there are a lot of people who are stuck with the current job roles in QA, and you already know in QA you won't be getting that much good package, or you may not be getting a call from the product based company. So you must have a good tech stack, then only they are calling you and reaching you out. Even you will see a lot of job posting, they are talking about DevOps skills, AWS. They will talk about all Playwright, Hyper, Selenium, Java, Python, TypeScript, all of this stuff for a QA. And definitely, if somebody is from manual functional testing background, it's gonna be horrifying for them to see, and they will just think like, okay, how can I learn this much? But I think you can do it. It's not a rocket science, right? So same, as I told, I had been in same position from 2014 to 2019, almost 5-6 years, and I know it's difficult. So first thing first, you have to change your mindset. Now you have to think that yeah, you can become a developer and you can do even development, so that doing automation will be more easier for you, and to make your mind work that yeah, if dev I can do, even if I can do coding, I can easily do automation. There is no rocket science in that. So that's the mindset switch, that yes, I can do it. One thing maybe I will expect in this video, like yeah, testing skills are more critical, they are important, automation is not the end goal. You're right, that is what even I think. So but if you have to sustain in the market, you cannot bluff yourself. You have to go forward, you have to be technically strong. You should understand now how the dev they are doing. You have to understand how the application are developed in React, how the mobile application is built up. At least a high level knowledge is definitely required, so that then only you it gives you confidence to talk to your developers. If you don't have a knowledge, if you just know okay, this US stuff I will do, I know how to do, how to create test cases, test scenario, no, that won't work now. Now in maybe in waterfall it worked, but now mostly every company is in agile. You are working neck to neck with developers, with product owners, with managers, with dev manager. So definitely if you are a QA guy, you should have the knowledge of all tech stacks, so that eye to eye you can contact your dev and tell them okay, hey, this is the issue with your API. Maybe there could be issue with your coding. So in some companies, even you are able to see the code what dev is writing, and even white box testing also people are doing nowadays. So in order to crack now a decent job and grow your salary, you cannot fully rely on manual testing. You have to move towards the automation, and you have to upgrade your technical skill. There is no other way to go. So now that 3 step process, you have to at least give 3 month dedicated of 3 month effort in this. And for example, you can start with Selenium Java, yeah, with web automation, and you can apply the same for API automation. You can use REST assured, that will be more easier for you. And for mobile automation, you can use Playwright, and you can use either JavaScript or TypeScript with that. Next thing, so step one for this, so that I told on high level what you can pick. So in step one will be you will be focusing fully on programming. You can pick any language of your comfort. I will prefer to go with Java, because most of the companies still prefer Java. But you can go with Java or Python. Second thing, and third maybe TypeScript, JavaScript. So these are the four language, but you have to be strong in at least one language. Right? And there is no end to learning. So the advanced concept like collections, and then we go to threading concept, and also there are a lot of stuff. Then design patterns. So don't jump into all those stuff. Start with the normal. Understanding what is float and strings, and this initiate with hello world program, and then write some if else while loops and all. Go slow, but be focused. And I will suggest you go step by step every day. Just learn, have your timetable ready, and definitely in internet you will find many sources. So whatever teacher you feel that this is best for you, follow him. Okay. Now focus on learning all important feature of web automations is Selenium. So Selenium is there for 20 years, so definitely you can go with that. Also, you can have a lot of feature in that which are complex. So without practice, is not easy. So spend at least 1 month to that. Step three, so you have to at least understand one framework. So I will suggest go with TestNG framework concepts. You understand what the at the rate test annotation do after suite, before suite, and then how TestNG XML is used to run your test suite, how to run test case parallel using TestNG. So all this thing you need to do, and take any dummy website. You will find, just Google it. You will find many things, and any place you are stuck, use ChatGPT. So that will give you a lot of good solutions for that. No need to go and ask any even tutor. If you have ChatGPT, it will mostly solve all your answers. Understanding Git concept is very important. And again, understand how to push the code, how pull the code, how to resolve the conflicts, how we create new branch, how we create feature branch. This is not a rocket science. That is very easy. And for that also, YouTube is ocean of knowledge. You can find many videos on the Git concept as well, and easily you can understand that. That's with the help of flow chart, it will be a cakewalk for you. Understand CI/CD implementation with GitHub Action. It is really, really very easy. So if you even I have created a video, you can go through that. How with GitHub Action, simply by pushing the code, how it's easily running in my GitHub Action runners, and all my reports also I'm getting in the email. So for that, I made a video. Understand that Selenium great Docker concept. So slowly we will move toward this cross-browser testing also, because these are all even interviewers will ask you a question around this, because once you have hands-on, they are expecting not the basic thing, even some advanced level stuff, whether you have created framework by yourself and all those stuff, right? So with that, I think these should be the three steps. And finally, it's all about practice, 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 and more. If you get doubts, Google, do ChatGPT. Everyone in the company, everyone does it. So don't feel like, okay, I should not look for solution. Everyone look for solution, whether it's Stack Overflow, whether it's Googling or asking your partner. So nobody is perfect in this world. Everyone learns with practice and asking, right? So don't, you have to do that. And as I told, don't forget to practice chasing and getting excited with this list of interview questions. Okay, so keep doing a revision. Also, maybe you can prepare a notes if you like your handwritten notes. So again, if you give interview and if you're getting rejected, don't get disappointed. Everyone get rejection. Nobody in this world who are earning maybe in lakhs crores, and it's even if you ask them, they will say out of 10 interviews, I got rejected in 5 or 6 interviews. Then that is fine. That is fine. Every rejection will give you some knowledge. You will understand your weakness and you can work on that.